There are 4 product circles we have, and this is how businesses work. This is how trends work. In fact, even in business, the way AI is now, there are 4 stages that AI will go through. The same thing that the internet did, where we have the internet bubble and all those stuff. .com bubble, yeah. So these things are going to happen even in your own industry. So pay attention to this. Number 1 is introduction phase. Every industry was once a booming industry. Just imagine the oil companies now. At early stage, oil company was a booming thing. When Rockefeller then were in the business, thing was just picking up. They were finding there is gold here, there is oil here, there is this one here. So people were rushing into that market. So the market entered introduction phase and quickly entered what we call growth stage. At this point, investors are now sure this is working, because most investors will not come in the introduction stage. That's why some of you have AI products you want to build, you have AI ideas, but people are not buying into it simply because it is still on the introduction phase. They are still skeptical. But now on the growth stage, which is the second phase, people are now thinking, oh, this is going to work. Oh, this looks like the new Facebook or new Google. Let me tap into it now. So the market becomes so huge. Then it launches into what we call the maturity phase. Maturity phase is very, very crucial, because at this point, some people will still join the market because it's already happening. The same way people are still joining into Facebook advertisements, Facebook this and that. But the market has left Facebook to an extent, to TikTok, to LinkedIn and other stuff. But meanwhile, if you enter any industry, let's say you are entering a newspaper business right now, it's a very dicey business. Somebody will say, oh, I'm just doing it on the internet, I'm not printing any paper. It's still a consign. That's why you have bloggers. That's why you have offshoot of those businesses. But they cannot get to that growth level again, where people want to be wowed with everything they're doing. So phase 1 introduction, phase 2 growth, and then now they get to what we call maturity. Is the last point before we get to what we call declining markets, which is what the newspaper is facing today, and so many other products. But let me tell you something. Your industry is going to definitely hit that point. And if it doesn't, your career, you as a person, you hit that stage where you've gone from just being the person who is doing mega from NYC, people are looking for you, come and work for us, to getting to a point where you're being productive in your 30s and your 40s, but now you're getting to your 50s. You're not that creative again. Some things are lagging. Let me give you a solution to this problem. Go and learn how to create content, so that at this point of your 50s and 60s, you will leverage your experiences to create content. And every individual is going to face this thing. You're going to have a peak moment, you're going to have a declining moment. But your personal mind is what will collapse these 2 things for you. You can write a book at 50, you can write a book at 60, you can create content, course, community within this period, and it will scale. Let me assure you something. If you don't want to be left behind, if you don't want to be left in the old markets, go and create something as a personal brand, and you'll thank me later.